Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to know how to get these free skins and pets in Among Us? If you do, please keep watching this video. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I got those free pet and skin in a very easy way. But first, of course, I'm gonna show you that I don't have any skin and pet in my current player in Among Us. So this is me, I am named Astronaut, and I'm gonna show you that I don't have any pets available, I also don't have any skin available, and the only category that's available is the hat and colors. So now I'm gonna teach you how to get the skin and pets. The first thing that you need to do is download the app, the file app that's called ES File Explorer. So I have the link to this ES File Explorer. I will put the link in the description box down below. I will put all the links needed in the description box. So next step is you have to download the file Secure New. So this file will also be put in the description box below. So I'm just gonna copy. Let's see if the Among Us skin and pet is already there or if the hack worked. Let's enter a random game or game room. So we're here. Let's see. Pet. Yay! Nandito na yung pets. Rah, 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 rah. Okay. See, I have a pet. So I'm gonna turn myself back into the astronaut that I am. So yay! So guys, that's how I got the skin and pet for free in the game Among Us. Please don't forget to check out the description box below for the links that you will need for the Secure New and the ES File Manager. Don't be afraid to download the links below because they aren't viruses or anything. Even I didn't trust the process at first, but I got the skin and pet easily and in a fast way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if this video helped you get the skin and pet in Among Us or if it did not. Please comment down your questions, suggestions, or if you have any further or additional tips for Among Us players like most of us. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.